Good afternoon. As you know, there wasn't too long ago when we would see long lines at these mass vaccination sites like the Forum, but that's really not the case anymore, and that's because health officials say people are skipping out on their first or second dose appointments. A new troubling trend on the vaccine front. LA County is seeing its first major decline in vaccinations, with some sites reporting a 50% decrease in appointments, leaving many slots unfilled.
We've seen a significant drop here in LA County of people getting vaccinated, and it's very worrisome, very worrisome.
The decline is leading to one of the nation's largest mass vaccination sites, Dodger Stadium, to close at the end of May. Months ago, it was a busy site, but now the site run by the city sees little traffic day to day, a problem seen county-wide.
As great as the mega sites have been, and they were fantastic, one of the drawbacks was just the distance for some people and then the long wait time.
And another concern is what appears to be a lack of people returning for their second dose. A percentage of the cases are attributed to computing errors in the database, but some people do appear to be skipping the second shot. Dr. Barbara Ferrer says they will start bringing the shots to people.
It might be better to do a lot more pop-ups, to set up vaccination booths in shopping centers, near grocery stores, near post offices.
By using appointment-free mobile vaccination sites brought directly to the community.
Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good.
Are you
How are you?
excited to get vaccinated today?
Yes.
The Kedron Community Care Clinic is already on the move, popping up at bars, churches, schools, and various places of employment, primarily in South LA neighborhoods, but often going to other areas as well.
Today, we're here because we're vaccinating workers where they work, including here at the Riviera Country Club.
Dr. Jerry Abraham vaccinated several employees at the country club, including Ava Castellanos, who approves of the mobile sites.
I think sometimes people are really busy at their jobs, so it's really perfect for them to come to the jobs to vaccinate the workers there. So yeah, that's pretty amazing.
Dr. Abraham says they're just getting started with the mobile van and plan to bring it outside of LA County too.
The pandemic doesn't end until we're all vaccinated and safe. So while I see the end of the tunnel here in LA, here in this nation, the work is not done.
And right now in LA County, only about 30% of residents are fully vaccinated. Now, coming up at 6 o'clock, we speak with the doctor about vaccine equity and hesitancy and how that's also contributing to the declines in vaccinations. Back to you.
Yeah, Coco, I mean, when we spoke last night with the state's chief epidemiologist, she said basically the people that really wanted their first shots have gotten them, and the people that are worried about it haven't. That's why she was pushing the idea of trying to get the Johnson & Johnson back into circulation more, to try to get people one and done.
Absolutely, and that mobile van that we highlighted in the piece, they actually were giving out the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to some of the workers at the country club today, and the whole idea was the fact that it's one and done for people who maybe didn't have the time, they felt like, to get the vaccine or were a little bit hesitant. They feel more comfortable getting just that one shot.